Good morning, grade 1. How are you? Hope you are all well. Anyway, let us begin with our new lesson. Our lesson for today is about subtract tens and ones. I will repeat. Our lesson will be about subtract tens and ones without regrouping. And you know already how to subtract. It means we are going to take away, right? Now, I will show you how to subtract two-digit numbers without regrouping. I will show you the models here on the board. So, I will draw for you a place value chart. Okay, as we all know, what do we have on the right? We have here the ones. And on our left, we have the tens. Okay, so now, I'll draw for you two. Okay. Alright. So again, we have here the tens. And here we have the ones. Now, let us subtract a two-digit number. Let's say, for example, we have 46 minus 23. And I will show you the models. Okay, so 46. So here, I have here 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 6 ones. So, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 46 minus 23. Okay, so before we, first of all, when we subtract, we always begin from, we will always start from the ones column. Okay, so let us start. We have 46 minus 23. In the ones column, we have 6. So 6 minus 3. Okay? 6 minus 3. So we have here 6 ones. We are going to take away 3. Let us do it. 1, 2, 3. So now, let us count how many are left. Okay, count with me. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to write 3 in the ones column. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now, let us go to the tens. In the tens column, we have 4 minus 2. So, we have here 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to take away 2. So, let us just cross out. To take away, we are just going to cross out like this. 1, 2. So, now, let us count how many are left. 1, 2. So, we are going to write it here in the tens column. So, here you are. So, we have 46 minus 23 is equal to 23. Okay, another example. Another example. Okay, wait, I will just... Okay. Okay, so, another example, let's have, for example, we have 80, okay, let's say I have 86 minus 42. Okay, so let us draw 8 tens. Okay, let us draw it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Again, let us start from the ones. We have 86 minus 2. What are the numbers in the ones column? We have 6 and 2. We are going to take away 2 from 6. So here, we have here 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are we going to take away? We are going to take away 2. So let us cross out 2. 1, 2. Now, count with me. How many are left? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where are we going to write 4? Here in the ones column, because as we have said, we are going to start always from the ones. Okay? Now, let's go to tens column. How many tens do we have in the tens? We have 8 tens. We are going to take away 4 tens. So here we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going to take away how many? We are going to take away 4. So let us take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let us count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 tens, and we will write it here in the tens column. Okay? Now I'm going to show you another example without the 10 frame, without this place value chart. Okay, so let's say okay, but I will do for you a subtraction frame. Okay, let's say I have this. Okay, let's say we are going to subtract 75 minus 23. Okay, like as we have said, we are going to start from where? From the ones column. This is the ones column. Okay, so let us subtract 5 minus 3. How are we going to solve, or how are we going to take the difference? If we subtract 5 minus 3, we can just count up, or we can just count back. So if we count up, we are going to start from 3. We will count up going to number 5. So after 3, 4, 5. We have to stop. So how many is 5 minus 3? We have here 2. Okay, so we write 2 here. We just count up. Now, also in the tens column, we are just going to count up. Okay, so from 2, from the smaller number, we are going to count up to 7. So after 2, count up to 7. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now, how many are this? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so 75 minus 23 is equal to 52. Or, we can just count back. Let's say, for example, another example. Let's say I have 86 minus 23, for example. Okay, so 6 minus 3, we can just count back. 6, 5, 4, 3. So the answer is 3. You will just count back 3. The same thing in the tens column, we are just going to count back 2. So 8, we'll count back to 8, 7, 6. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 63. Okay? Now, I'm going to give you another example. Okay? What about if we are going to subtract, for example, we have 89 minus 39. Okay? What is 9 minus 9? 9 minus 9, we are going to take away them all, so it means 0. Now, in 8 minus 3, what is 8 minus 3? We are going to count back. 8, 7, 6, 5. We count back 3, so we have here 50. So the answer is 50. 89 minus 39 is equal to 50. Okay? Now, what about if we have, for example, I have 56 minus 52. Okay? 56 minus 52. Number 1, 6 minus 2. What is 6 minus 2? What is 6 minus 2? You want to count back or you want to count up? So, from 2, we can count up to 6. So, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us just count the number of dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And 5 minus 5. What is 5 minus 5? If you have 5, you are going to take away 5. So the answer will be 0. Okay, if our answer here is 0, Okay, I will write it for you. Okay, if you have 0 in the tens column, there is no need to write the 0 here because when we read it, it's 4. Or just leave it like this. It's just 4. No need to write 0 in the tens column. It's both 4. But no need to write the 0, okay? One more example. Okay. What about if I have, for example, I have 79 minus 69. 9 minus 9, 9 minus 9 is what? It is 0, right? Do we need to write the 0 here? Yes, we have to. Okay, we have to write the 0 here. What about 7 minus 6? 7 minus 6 is equal to? Yes, it's 1. So the answer is 10. We have to write the 0. But, because it is in the ones column, if we take out the 0, so it will just be 1. And it's wrong. We have to write the 0 if it is in the ones column. Okay, I will show you another example. Let's say I have 54 minus 52. Okay, here, again, let us subtract from the ones. 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? It's 2. Now, what about 5 minus 5? 5 minus 5 is 0. Now, do we need to write the 0 here? Yes, we don't need to write the 0. So, just leave it like this. No need to write the 0 here, okay? Alright. So, now, I will help you. Okay, let us go to our book now. It is on page 195. Okay, and I will help you. With the first column of our book. Okay, in your book, you have the number 1 is already done for you, and I will not repeat it anymore. Okay, number 2, you have there 62 minus 51. Okay, so 2 minus 1, you can use your fingers if you want, but by this time, I think there is no need. Okay, so 2 minus 1. Alright, yes, it's 1. And 6 minus 5. Yes, it's 1. And children, remember, in writing the answer, it will be in column. It must be in a straight line. You couldn't write your answer there. Or you cannot write your answer here. It must be ones to ones and tens to tens. Okay? Now, let's go to the next number. We have there 59 minus 14. Okay. Like what I said, you have to start from the ones. Okay, so let us begin here. 9 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many are this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, are we going to write it here? No. Where are we going to write? We have to write it in the proper column. Ones to ones, we have to write it here. Okay, we have to write it under the ones column. Now, let's go to the tens. 5 minus 1. Okay, after 1, we count up to 5. So, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many are this? Let us count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we are going to write it also the same line with the tens. It must be here. Don't write it anywhere. It must be in proper column. Okay? Okay, now, I think you can solve the rest. You can solve pages 195 and 196 by your own. Okay? And you will receive also a handout for this lesson. Okay? Okay. Bye.